How to sign up for Planet Fitness Summer Pass Full Guide 2026. Are you a teenager looking to stay active and fit this summer completely for free? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to sign up for the Planet Fitness High School Summer Pass in 2026 step by step, so you can start working out at no cost all summer long. Here is what the Summer Pass actually is. Planet Fitness is offering teens ages 14 through 19 free access to its gym locations from June 1 to August 31, 2026. That is 3 full months of completely free workouts with no membership fees, no credit card required, and no strings attached. You get access to Planet Fitness's complete range of fitness equipment, including state-of-the-art strength and cardio equipment, free fitness training from certified fitness trainers, and hundreds of on-demand digital workouts through the free Planet Fitness app. And new this year, the program is powered by Gymshark, and all Summer Pass participants receive an exclusive Gymshark discount after signing up. Let us get into how to register. Step 1. Confirm you are eligible. Students and teens ages 14 to 19 years old are eligible to participate. You must be at least 14 before registering. If you are already 18, you can sign up completely on your own. Participants under 18 must have a parent or guardian sign the waiver either electronically or in person, but once the waiver is signed, they can work out alone. Step 2. Register online or in person. You can sign up online at planetfitness.com/summerpass or visit the club you would like to join and sign up in person. Online registration opened on May 18, 2026, and you can sign up anytime during the promotion while it is still running. Step 3. Choose your home club location carefully. Teens can only work out at the Planet Fitness location where they signed up. You cannot use the Summer Pass at other Planet Fitness locations, so pick the one closest to your home before completing registration. Step 4. Complete the waiver. If you are under 18, a parent or guardian needs to sign the electronic waiver online or sign it in person at the club. Once the waiver is signed, you are fully registered and can work out independently without a parent present. Step 5. Download the Planet Fitness app. Download the Planet Fitness app and create an account using the same non-school email address you used when registering. This is important. Make sure the email matches your registration email exactly, or your digital pass may not load correctly. Step 6. Access your digital club pass. Use your in-app digital club pass to work out at your home club starting June 1, 2026. When you arrive at the gym, simply show your digital pass in the app at the front desk and you are in. You also get access to hundreds of in-app workouts starting as soon as you sign up, so you can start following workout plans even before June 1. Now here is your pro tip. Once the Summer Pass program ends on August 31, the base level membership automatically becomes $15 per month. If you want to continue after the summer but do not want to be charged, make sure you do not leave any payment details on file and confirm with your home club that no automatic renewal will occur after the program ends. Enjoy the free access all summer without any surprises when September arrives. So to recap, confirm you are between 14 and 19 years old. Go to planetfitness.com/summerpass to register online or sign up in person at your chosen club. Complete the parent waiver if you are under 18. Download the Planet Fitness app with the same email you used to register, and show your digital pass at the front desk starting June 1. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides like this one. And drop a comment below telling me which Planet Fitness location you signed up at. See you in the next one.